Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. And today in this video I will show you how to solve if brightness control not working on Windows 10. Normally we set the brightness low or high in the control system. But in your device system if brightness control not working, then how to fix. So I will show few steps. You can follow step by step. Hope your problem will be fixed. Step 1, go to search bar and search by device manager. Or you can open device manager anyway. Now go to display adapter and expand it. After expanding you will see the driver. Select the driver and right-click on mouse. You will see more options here. From the options click on Update Drivers. Now click on Automatically Update Drivers. It will update the graphics driver from the Microsoft Store directly if it needs to be updated. So must have internet connection in your device. If the driver is updated, just wait until it is updated. After updated, restart your Windows and check problem solved or not. But if the driver is already updated, you will see this type of message. In this case, close this window. Again select driver and right-click on your mouse. Go to Update Drivers. And now click on second option. And then click on Let me pick on computer driver. Here you will see two driver. One is manufacturing drive and one is Microsoft. At first select manufacturing drive. And click on Next for installing. It will take few times for installing. And when the process is finished, restart your Windows, and check your problem solve or not. If not solve, then again come back to this window, and select Microsoft Store, and click on Next. It also takes few times for installing. And when the process is finished, restart your Windows, and check the problem solved or not. If not resolved, then again open Device Manager, and come back to this window. Select Drive and right-click on mouse. Go to Properties. Select Driver from the top menu. If the device fails after updating the driver, then click on Rollback Driver. It will back to the previous installed driver. And then uninstall device. And uninstall the device. After uninstalling device, drive will removed. And then go to Action menu and click on it. And click on Scan for hardware changes. It will reinstall the device driver automatically. After that restart your Windows, and check your problem solved or not. If not resolved, then go to second step. Click on Start menu, and then go to Settings. And then click on Update and Security. And check for updates. If there is any update, please update. After updating. And again restart your Windows. And then check your problem solved or not. If not solved, then go to third step. Simply open any browser, and searching by your graphics driver name. My driver manufacturing company is Intel. After searching, enter your manufacturing website and download and install the driver. After download and installing, restart your Windows. Friend, if you follow these methods step by step, hopefully your brightness problem will be solved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel to get more useful video. Thank you for watching.